Giraffe. They live in grassland. We can find them in some parts of Africa. Giraffes are mammals. They are herbivores. They use their long necks and tongues to get to leaves on trees. Their lifespan is around 25 years. They are the tallest animal on Earth. They have a great eyesight and get a good view of the territory with their great height. Giraffes must be careful of lions when they drink water or rest. Usually giraffes will drink or rest in shifts, so at least one giraffe is always on the lookout for predators. Many of baby giraffes do not survive the first week of life. Their mothers do everything they can to protect them. Newborns can stand within 30 minutes of being born and can run after about 10 hours. The interesting pattern of a giraffe's coat is likely for camouflage.